Hey everyone, it's Christy with Anchor Life 5. Thanks for stopping by and joining me for a few minutes today. I have an unboxing of the Happy Planner Valentine box. Now I ordered this right when it came out, but with the snow and everything, it was delayed forever and ever and ever, and I just got it today and I'm so super excited. So the box is a little beat up. Like I said, it's been like, I don't know, 2 weeks that it's been trying to be delivered. So that's fine. Adorable box though, super cute. So let's open it up. As always, the Happy Planner does such an amazing job with their packaging. Adorable, adorable, adorable. Little XO sticker, and I can never take it off without ripping it. Will this time be any different? No, it won't. But I like to keep the tissue paper because it's stinking cute, right? Here we go. How beautiful it is. Do all things with love. And this is what came inside of it. A romantic floral, happy hearts, and accessories to plan a life full of love. So you get one classic notebook with some inserts and the pages. I'm going to get 11 metal red discs. I'm so excited. 7 washi, 8 sticker sheets, and a silicone pouch. Stinking cute. So red is my favorite color, and I do not have any metal disc at all. So I am so excited to get this set of red metal disc for sure. It does come with the 7 washi tapes. Really cute. Love that they're all thin. So you've got the XO, the pink and white stripes, the hearts, the roses, the black and white polka dots. Can't see what that says. And then some red hearts. Then we've got our silicone pouch. Maybe. It is somewhere. How does it come out? Oh. Not as hard as I was making it out to be. Enjoy the little things. I absolutely adore these pouches. They are great to throw in your purse. They're great to throw in your planner bag on the go. They're silicone, so if they get wet, if something gets on them, you wash them off really quickly and easily. Love the pink stitching, the little red hearts. Adorable. Here are the sticker sheets. Love life. Let's just slice this booger open here. Oh, maybe. There we go. Probably not the best way to use these monstrosity of scissors, but that's okay. Super cute, kind of holographic red. Then you've got your roses, 2 pages of those. Your red holographic hearts, your red kind of matte hearts. Look how cute those are. And what's great about these is, yeah, they were Valentine themed, but they're like love themed, so you can use them all year round. And then the final piece is the, oh, that came off, is the planner. Not the planner, but the notebook. Super cute. Do all things with love. Hold on, let me put this back together, guys, because I guess 2 weeks of being thrown around and everything, it just decided it was done too. So it just came all apart, but we'll fix that real quick. That's what's great about the Happy Planner, right? Just snap it all back into place. Do all things with love. There is, so you've got 3 dividers, and you've got your lined paper with the hearts on the side and the XO. There is your other divider, and your last one. Absolutely adorable. Awesome. So that is everything that I got in my Valentine Be Happy box. I sure appreciate y'all stopping by and spending a little bit of time with me. Don't forget to go over and follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook, my TikTok, all the things. And until next time, bye guys.